Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to today's episode. This is part of the holiday meal series with Jikokoa. Basically dishes that you can prepare during the holiday season, especially when I'm doing this video is actually close to Christmas. Today's dish is actually Mshenye. It's basically mashed sweet potatoes with beans. It's really simple to make and it's really nutritious and delicious. And I hope you learn something new and I hope you'll enjoy yours like I know I'll enjoy mine when I finish doing this shoot. So the first thing when you want to light the Jikokoa is you need to fill up the charcoal to that level. It doesn't have to be flat, it can be slightly above, but leave some room when you leave the pot so that it can actually sit on the small stands here. So open the door, stuff the newspaper, you stuff it till the end. It's a long chamber, so light it, and when it starts lighting and you know it's ready when it's red hot, when all the pieces are actually burnt. So if you're new to the show, welcome. What I actually do is bring cooking back and basically demystify cooking and show you how simple it is. Now in this recipe it's actually simple for sure because the ingredients are two main ones, so that's the sweet potato and the beans. Now the trick whenever you're doing this is have some water. I actually have some water here so that when I finish peeling it and I start cutting it, what will happen is that if you don't put it in water immediately, they will start turning basically turning color, having some black spots. So basically whenever it comes to boiling this, most important thing, so long as it's soft, actually add the beans. I'm trying to estimate how much I need. I don't want it to be too much. The water is off. I've removed the water, I've drained off the water. Now basically start mashing it. And actually it's a good point at this point. It's a good thing at this point you actually add the spring onions. You want them also to get heated up. So once you're satisfied with the mashing, it's ready. I'm actually still mashing it on top of the Jikokoa. I want the potatoes to still be hot, the dish to still be hot, but it's on low heat. Remember, the Jikokoa, it's efficient in terms of saving you money on charcoal, buying charcoal, use less. And now all I need to do is serve. It's ready. Now first of all, you can actually serve it plain, especially when it's still hot or warm. Basically it's nice and filling, and I believe it's also nutritious because it has beans, it has the starch, it has but I think to make it more nutritious you need some vegetables, and in fact that's what I've done here. I have some meat, some ingoho or chicken, some greens. Always nice to have greens, and then I just molded it in a small bowl. I hope you'll enjoy yours. What do you call this dish in wherever you're watching me from? Put in the comment section. I know it's called Mshenye in Luya land, but I also know this dish is something that is eaten from across Africa, especially several communities across Africa. Let me know what you call it. This is part of the holiday meals series with Jikokoa. Hope again you enjoy yours whenever you make it, and see you next time on the next one.